Okay, so it's Monday, and I just got out of school, so I'm in my jammies again, and I'm still not in the proper shoes. I seriously need to put some tennis shoes or something on. But today, as I promised, I'm going to the wood. The wood. And I'm gonna go in the middle of the wood, unless that's a trap. But I'm a very fast runner, so hopefully a bobcat won't snatch me up and kill me. I'm playing. I'm not that strong of a runner, and I'm hoping bobcats aren't that fast. Cause yesterday, a friend of mine's dog bit the holy cheese out of baby Bob. So, and it's really clear out here. You can see everything here. It's kind of weird. See? So you can see everything. I'm gonna stay away from that, because normally that's where a lot of snakes are. You can hear a bird calling. Oh, and there's a little pine tree. And now I'm about to make it my mission to come out here every day and check on this little guy. That's pretty. How that tree's fallen, but it's starting to decay. Well, it's already decaying, but that's pretty. Look at that. I wish I could do. Oh my god, that is so pretty. My dog's all the way over there. So if I wanted to, I'd kill him, but I can't. So, but yeah, and there's little exotics. Someone's been here before. It's like their house burnt down or something. Cause it's like a lot of old abandoned stuff here. See, look. So it's an old box spring. A tree's falling on it. Well, a branch, not a tree, but a branch. Branch falling on it, and it's weird. But I'm like coming up closer to my friend's house or whatever. So I sound dumb, so I'm not gonna say that anymore. But that's a towel with mold on it. And my phone's about to go dead once again. So I'm going to go in this clearing, investigate a little bit. Then I'm going to go home, put my phone back on the charger. But it's weird. It's really, really weird. But on Tuesday, I might investigate a little bit more. Because it's terrifyingly weird. It's cray-cray. But, yeah, and if I can find my way home, I'll be happy. Happy not to die. from hunger and confusion. I can't say it. Okay, I'm thinking. Help me. Poo. Gross, poop. Okay, I found my way, but now I can't find my dog. So hopefully my little dachshund, my eeny beeny dachshund, can find his way home. But hey, look at this. A whole bunch of ants have been building this for like a year now. And I don't think they're done yet because little ants are still roaming around. Bringing dirt. Well, bringing out dirt. I think they've been there for like 5 years. That's what everybody else is saying. I just think they're gathering food. But my friends say that they're not, so not gonna, you know, cause I just moved here like not long ago. Oh crap! Oh my god! Oh snap! But look at this. Isn't it pretty how the ants are like trying to hide it? And okay, I'm about to show you guys something. It's a teardrop. That little patch right there is a teardrop. Isn't it cute? And then it looks like, wow. That's my neighbor's yard. Okay. That's my yard. My yard is like way cleaner. Come on, Mikey. Come on. Come on. You can just watch him for hours. I'm disappearing into the shadows. Ooh. Like you can still see him. It's cute. Oh, look at him. I think he's slick, but he's not. Okay, hi. If you like this show, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my god, I got it right. I got it right. Yeah. And special shout outs to my friend Haley, because she actually helped me put this up. So, again, very special shout outs to my best friend Haley.